Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI cartoon animation videos easily. So in here, I'm going to use Canva AI as the tool because I only want to create a short animation or cartoon animation video. So let's just get started. You can go to the canva.com or Canva apps on your mobile and then head to the Canva AI. Here click on this Canva AI button if you're using browser and then describe your idea in the text box. So for example, in here I want to create a funny cartoon style character with big expressive eyes, wearing a red hoodie, walking to a colorful futuristic city, and the animations show the character tripping on a banana peel and then laughing. With bright and vibrant colors, smooth through the cartoon animation, and playful music vibe. And in here, on the option, you can click on this create a video clip options, and this option you can also choose the style. I'm going to just go with cartoon, and the aspect ratio and the duration in here you can go with 8 seconds. This is the default settings, and the framing in here, and also lighting. So I'm going to just click on this generate button and let's just wait for the result. But while we wait, here are some of the example the cartoon AI video that Canva created. You guys can see in here. So the result is done. You can click on this play button to review the result. So guys, that's pretty easy. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.